Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to private your Facebook account. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Facebook application on your phone. Once you reach the home page, click the three horizontal bar at the bottom, and on the menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. After that, click Privacy Checkup. If you can't find the Privacy Checkup, you can search for it using the search icon above. On this page, choose Who Can See What You Share. Then change all the options to Only Me to make it completely private. Then click Next and set it all to Only Me. Basically, if you want to go completely private, just set it all to Only Me. Here, it will give you the option to turn your limit off, or you can turn off your last posts and click Next. After the process, go back to the main page and select how to keep your account secure. If you don't want to edit anything about your account, just click Proceed, and on the last page, just click Next. Third, you can choose how to keep your account secure and click Next. If you don't have anything to ask, just continue and confirm the process. Lastly, if you can also choose how to edit the settings based on your preference, just click Next and you are done. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.